Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 4 ways to save money on car repairs. We all know that car repairs can be quite expensive and they can put a significant dent in your wallet or your savings. And with that being said, if you can save some money on car repairs, then hopefully you'll take advantage of those opportunities, and I'll go over 4 ways with you in this video. Now let's get right to it. Method number one is bring the car to a dealership if it's still under warranty. So many people go and pay for car repairs without even knowing that their car is still under warranty. So take a look at your warranty terms and see if your car is still under warranty and if that repair is covered under the warranty. If it is, go to the car dealership and the repair will probably cost you nothing. So with that being said, check if your car is still under warranty, and if it is, bring it to the car dealership and use the warranty to get the repair for free. Method number 2, if the car is not under warranty, bring it to an independent mechanic shop. Now, this is the simple way to put it, the most simple way to put it, okay? Car dealerships charge more, generally speaking, for repairs than independent mechanic shops. So if your car isn't under warranty and you're thinking about bringing it to a dealership, you should instead consider bringing it to a reputable independent mechanic shop to do the repair. And with that being said, just by making that simple decision, you'll probably save money, because the repair, the identical repair, will probably cost less being done at a mechanic shop than it would being done at the car dealership. So if your car is not under warranty, consider bringing it to a reputable mechanic shop. Method number 3 is combine repairs if possible. Now, a repair cost is generally broken down into 2 separate sections: the cost of the part and the cost of the labor. Now, if you are combining your repairs, then you can possibly save on the cost of the labor. Because if your car is already up on the hoist and the mechanic is already working on the car, the mechanic might be able to give you a better deal because they've already taken off certain components and they're saving time on the repair, so they can transfer that savings of time into savings of money for you. So with that being said, if you are getting a new timing belt and you know that you're gonna need brakes in 3 weeks, you might as well get new brakes at the same time, and the mechanic will probably be able to give you a little bit of a deal, of a discount, because they're already working on your car's already in the shop, they're already starting the process of taking things out, they already have the tools out. It allows them to make it easier to give you a discount, okay? Last but not least, method number 4 is fix it yourself if it's possible. Now, believe it or not, a lot of these simple repairs can be done by yourself with the right set of instructions and a decent set of tools. Things like changing the headlight bulbs, the tail light bulbs, the turn signals, and so forth, and things like replacing the engine air filter. All that simple stuff can be done by yourself as a do-it-yourself task. Just make sure that you're looking at the right instructions for your car, and also make sure that you have the appropriate tools that you need, and make sure that you are working with safety in mind and being careful. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over 4 ways to save money on car repairs. These are very simple methods, and if you use them, you'll be able to save some money on the next car repair that you have to do to your vehicle. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.